You know what's the worst part about the RTX 4090 starting at $1,600? The fact that it starts at $1,600. Odds are you're gonna be paying way more for that if you want an edition that's any good. But is that the case? Because you can still get the most entry-level RTX 4090, the Gigabyte RTX 4090 Windforce, for a mere $1,600. And as usual, it is pretty, well, standard, with nothing that really makes it stand out. Not even a factory overclock. Seeing how the maximum GPU boost clock is just 2520 MHz, the standard boost clock for a reference RTX 4090. Now, in some ways, that's almost better than just the false advertising we usually see, with graphics cards having OC right in the name. Even if the OC is so small, you'd make the card go faster by just shouting words of encouragement at it. So that does make sense, given how it is an entry-level RTX 4090, but at the same time you should have no issues manually overclocking it yourself, especially seeing how it still provides a lot of heatsink and a lot of cooling. Granted, it is still on the smaller side compared to a lot of other RTX 4090s out there, but it is still pretty massive, and it is still a quad slot card. And like most quad slot cards, they don't even take advantage of the fact that they are quad slot cards. Because at the back, once again, you may have two PCI brackets for reinforcement, rather than making use of all of those other PCI brackets that will be obstructed by the graphics card anyway. And speaking on the back of the graphics card, well, once again, another graphics card commits the cardinal sin of only having a single HDMI port, which still, to this day, I think is absolutely unacceptable. Yes, I know I complain about it in every single video I do, but until manufacturers fix this, I'll continue to throw rocks into the backyard. Hopefully it's just a temporary trend, and by the time that the RTX 5090 comes out, we will go back to sensible land of having at least 2 HDMI per graphics card, because come on, even the last gen variant of this graphics card had it, but not this one, which is literally the definition of going backwards and not forwards. But whatever, I'm tired of complaining about it, you're pretty tired of me complaining about it, so let's just get onto the conclusion. It's pretty much the RTX 4090 Founders Edition, so if you want to give Nvidia as little of your money as possible while still going for an RTX 4090, then hey, this is a good option. So if you want to buy it yourself, then make sure to use the Amazon links down in the video description below. And if you like what you do here, then make sure to check out our Patreon, because even just one single dollar a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my extinct patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Justin Rage, Vroniak, Barlosh Velko, Max Sumner, Shane Allgrove, Glansby, and Jesse Herdman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down you're going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.